Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to make a lighting legend that you used in your RCPs. In your RCPs, a legend is necessary to inform what items are included, such as lighting fixtures, finishes, equipment, HVAC, and more that are used in your RCPs. Step 1. Find and organize the lighting fixtures that you used. Copy the lighting blocks from the RCP to an empty drawing area. Explode the lighting block by typing X, and press the Enter key. Remove all dimensions from the exploded lighting block. You can lock the ACLNGFIXT. Select the dimensions. Delete the selected dimensions by press the Delete key, or type Erase. And press the Enter key. Delete duplicated lighting fixtures. You only need one lighting fixture block of each lighting fixture type. Organize the lighting fixtures vertically. You can draw a line for a reference. Step 2. Create a table with lines. AutoCAD offers a table tool to create a table. You can find the tool from the Annotate tab under the Tables panel. However, this table tool is used for very complicated documents. As an interior designer with more than 10 years experience in the industry, I still use lines to create a table. Please try the table tool if you want. Copy the reference line for the column lines for the table. You can use the offset command too. Draw rows with lines. To clean up lines, use trim commands. Step 3. Add texts to the table. Make sure your drawing scale is 3/16 equals 1-0. Type MT and press Enter to draw a text box and add text. Repeat the text command for other text. You also can copy from what you created. Step 4. Select the table and table contents. Switch to ANO layer. Step 5. Make the table as a block 000 lighting legend. Save the file before closing the application. Save in a different location for the backup, example a cloud folder. I hope this tutorial clarifies how to create a lighting legend in AutoCAD for your RCPs. Thank you.